So a lot of people are asking, are PYQs enough? Are PYTs enough? So first you need to decide what is enough for you, right? For me, for somebody else, for the third person. So if someone is targeting to score more than 170 corrects or 165 corrects, PYTs, PYQs would not be enough, because there will be questions outside of those things which are not asked before, right? Or if someone wants to just qualify the exam, if they just want to get 120, 130 corrects and they will get their branch, or they will plan to take a private medical college seat and they just want to qualify, yes, PYQs, PYTs are enough. If you watch the MCQ discussion videos or the Delta videos, you get an approach to how the teacher is approaching that particular question. And if you understand that approach, if you solve all the PYQs very, very properly, read what is written below them, right? And you understand everything, then you are definitely possible to score 120 corrects, 130 corrects. And for most of the people who are in the private medical college setup, 120 corrects is good enough to get a private medical college seat again. So yes, that is enough for you. All the very best. If you have any more queries, my WhatsApp is open 24/7. We are solving custom modules daily based on PYQs only, right? So join the WhatsApp group, solve the custom modules. 2,500 people are already on the WhatsApp groups and they are solving it all together. Let's create a community that's helpful for everybody. All the very best.